So in this video I'm going to show how to program an 890 Max liftmaster remote to an 8355W liftmaster motor. Now this remote will be compatible with any liftmaster Chamberlain product from 93 up to today. If you have safety sensors on the door and it's a Chamberlain liftmaster opener, this thing should work. It works with yellow, red, green, and purple learn button. So one thing that you will need is a pin or something small enough to press the programming button inside the remote in order to program it to the appropriate learn button. I'm using the wire from this old sensor. Just gonna press it. After you press it, the light will turn on. You have to press the button that you would like to program. I'll use the small one on the side for the sake of this video, and then any other button on the remote to exit the programming mode. The light will turn off. Next step is to go to the motor head right here. Press the learn button, this yellow thing right here. You press it and release, and press the button that you've programmed, and this thing should work. Opening, stopping, closing. You can program up to 3 doors or 3 motors with this remote. If you don't want to do it, you can use us, Titan Garage Doors. We serve the entire lower mainland. You can call us at 604-313-0108.